Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 15. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. Substances that are dash dissolve readily in an aqueous solution. Hydrophilic. Body fluids in humans have a high buffering capacity because even modest shifts in pH can severely alter the physiology of cells. Essential elements in the human body are primarily carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, and calcium. A single carbon atom can form a maximum of dash covalent bonds. Four. Starch. A polysaccharide. What type of fatty acid has double bonds? Unsaturated. Animals store carbohydrates as glycogen. Enzymes are proteins. Nucleic acids are polymers of the monomer called nucleotides. Steps in the scientific method. Observation and generalizing. Formulate a hypothesis. A well-tested hypothesis becomes a theory. Make a testable prediction. Experiment or observe. Modify the hypothesis as necessary. And repeat step 3 and 4. Why is evolution so central to every aspect of biology? It explains how all living things are related and the similarities among them, as well as the diversity of organisms and how they become so diverse. What is evolving? Change in the frequency of alleles is evolution. How do fossils in sedimentary rock support Darwin's theory of evolution? The layers of fossils show gradual changes in organisms in the sequence in which the rock layers were formed. In what way does comparative anatomy contribute support to the theory of evolution? Homologous structures are found in related organisms. Example, four-limb bones of humans, whales, cats, bats, and many other. In what way does embryology contribute support to the theory of evolution? The process of aerial cell divisions and setup of basic organ systems, such as the digestive system, is the same across a broad range of organisms. In what way does molecular biology contribute support to the theory of evolution? Similarities are found in many organisms for the DNA sequence of important genes, including those genes that regulate development of body plans. What conditions are necessary for natural selection to occur? There is need to be genetic variation for heritable traits within a population. The traits should affect fitness, survival, and reproduction in the same way. Explain why natural selection is called an editing mechanism. Natural selection allows some individuals to reproduce more than others, based on their genetically determined traits. Those who reproduce less have their genes edited out of the gene pool. What are the basic sources of genetic variation? Mutation is the ultimate source of all genetic variation, no matter how the population reproduces. Which genetic variation are present in sexually reproducing populations? Meiosis contributes genetic variation by creating new combinations of alleles due to crossover. Being homologous chromosomes and random alignment of homologous in the metaphase plate. Joining of gametes also creates new genetic variation. What is the unit of evolution? A population is the unit of evolution. Dear friends, thank you for visiting Human Biology. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye bye for now.